When to reach out after the breakup. Breaking up is never easy. Emotions run high, and deciding when to contact an ex can feel confusing. Timing is crucial. Reaching out too soon may seem desperate, while waiting too long could create distance. Did you know you can use simple reverse psychology techniques to make your ex want you back? Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Here's a clear guide to help you determine when to reach out after the breakup. 1. Let emotions settle. Give yourself and your ex time to cool down. Avoid messaging during moments of anger, sadness, or frustration. 2. Reflect on your intentions. Ask yourself why you want to reconnect. Is it loneliness, guilt, or genuine desire to rebuild the relationship? Clarity matters. 3. Observe their signals. Look for signs of openness from your ex. Subtle cues can show whether they are ready for communication. 4. Regain personal stability. Reach out when you feel confident and emotionally balanced. Showing growth is more appealing than desperation. 5. Consider the breakup type. Amicable breakups may allow earlier contact, but betrayals or conflicts require longer time apart. Adjust your timing accordingly. 6. Start small and neutral. Send a brief, respectful message. Avoid heavy emotions or arguments. The goal is to reopen communication gently. 7. Respect their response. Your ex may not respond immediately, or at all. Accept their boundaries and remain patient. Forcing contact can backfire. Knowing when to reach out after the breakup can make a significant difference. Patience, self-awareness, and careful timing improve the chances of meaningful dialogue and potential reconciliation. Do you want to learn how to get your ex back with this simple, proven reverse psychology techniques that make your ex beg you to come back? Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more.